Hello everyone. Good morning children. Last chapter we have discussed about stick figure, right? Yes, we can make that stick man to do the animation also. So chapter number 9 is stick dance. In this chapter, we are going to learn about how we are going to launch the stick figure animator. So once we open the stick figure animator, how it will be, what are the things we have in this window. So that is exploring a stick figure animator and animation, the basics. What is the animation and what are the basic things we have. So everyone can see here that the stick man is dancing, right? Yes, we can make the stickman to dance, fight, playing football, whatever it is. I'll help you how to do that animation. And next, what is a stick figure animator? First, we need to learn about animation, children. Moving pictures are called a animation. And next, stick figure animator is a free animation program. Okay, how we have a paint. So paint is helpful for you people to do the painting, right? Yes. But the stick figure animator, it is a software, children, and it is a free program. You can directly download from the Google. Okay. In the previous chapter only we have learned about the lines and circle. So how by using a lines and circle we have how we will do the stick man. Regarding this we will discuss in this chapter. So we mainly use lines and circle to create a animation. And here the steps to open a stick figure animator is click the start button, all programs, click the pivot stick figure animator and option and choose a pivot stick figure animator. Or else by default we have the pivot stick figure animator shortcut icon also. We can directly click on that to open that animation. So I'm repeating here, start, you will get a n number of program and you will get a pivot stick figure animator folder. In that click a pivot stick figure icon. See here children, this is a pivot stick figure window. I have showed you, right? Yes. This part is called as a free space. See here children, this part is called as a free space and this is called as a canvas where you can do the animation. This space is called as a frame space and this is a canvas, children. And next, what is a canvas? The large space is the canvas where you will put your animation. So here you can put your animation. You can make a stick man to play or walk, whatever it is. Next is a frame space. It will be on the top page. It will be in the top page, children. There is a long empty space where you can see the each frame you have created. See here. If I click next frame, it will be added here. After doing certain changes, if I click next frame, so all the frames will be added in your frame space only. Okay. And next we have a few icons in our pivot stick figure window. One is a play, stop, repeat, and we have a scroll button also. Regarding this we are going to discuss now. Play. It helps you people to watch your animation. Stop. It helps you people to stop watching your animation. Repeat. It will keep on playing until you click a stop button. It will repeat for n number of times until we click a stop button. By using this control button, we can control the speed of the animation also, children. And next, how to add a figure. We have these options, right? Stickman and add figure. This is a where you can insert a new figure. If you want to insert a new figure, what you need to do is you need to click the add figure. So one more stickman will be added here. One more stickman will be added here. So this help you people to create a one more stick figure. Okay. And next is we have a current figure options also. You can delete. See here. You can delete the stickman and you can edit the stickman also. And you can make the stickman to be in the center. And you can flip the stickman. You can apply the color for your stickman. You can increase the size of your stickman also. You can make a stickman to come front as well as a back. So these are the few options we have in a current stick figure window. And next frame, it helps you people to store the frame into the frame space. Already in this video I have explained you by clicking the next frame what will happen. So it will be keep on adding to your frame space. Okay. We have two dots here, children. One is an orange dot and a head dot. Red dot helps you people to move your stickman, and or 1 minute. See here. The stick figure can be moved by clicking on the orange dot and dragging into a new position. By holding your mouse pointer here and dragging your mouse, it helps you people to move the stick figure from one place to another. And next is a red dots. Red dots help you people to change the shape of the stick figure. See here. Now our stick figure is straight, right? By clicking the red dots, you can make your stickman's position, or you can change into any shape. Okay. Orange dot indicates that it helps you people to change a position of the stick figure, and red dots help you people to change the shape of the stick figure. And click on the file menu and select the new option. Click on the file menu and click on the new option to create a new stick figure animation. This is our orange dot to move the stickman, and click on the next frame button and give some movements to it. And see here, I'll show you. This is our stickman, children. I'm just clicking next frame. I'm just, by using a red dot, I'm just moving the shape of the hand, and I'm just moving the legs of the stickman, and I am using the orange dot. I'm just moving the position of the stickman. You just see here, if I click play, what is happening? Okay, you can control the speed also. It's very fast. It is very slow. I am not giving repeat. You just see. Only for once it will play. If I click repeat, until my mouse click, it will be keep on playing. Okay. In the upcoming video, I'll clearly show you how to download the stick figure animation and how to do the animation. In this chapter, we are going to learn only completely about the animation part, children. In this video, I have explained you. Okay. In upcoming video, I'll show you clearly about doing the animation concept. Okay. Now, I request everyone to take your textbook for TB exercises. Open a page number 66. Fill in the blanks. Moving pictures are called dash. Yes, animations. Moving pictures are called animations. Okay. Dash Animator is a free animation program. That is a stick figure. Stick figure animator is a free animation program. Click dash to watch your animation. Click play to watch your animation. The dash can be used to change the shape of the stick figure. That is pivot, node, or red dots. I have told only red dots, right? So don't worry, you can give pivot, node, or red dots. Okay. The part of the stick figure animator screen are, one is a canvas. I have explained you, right? Canvas and free space. Okay. I request everyone to copy the same in your TB, children. And next is a true or false. You cannot stop animation. It is a false because we can stop the animation. Click on the repeat option to watch your animations repeatedly. Yes, true. The up and down arrow is used for controlling the speed of your animation. True. Click on the file menu and select new option to save your program. False. To save our program, we need to click a save option. Okay. Copy the same, children, in your TB. that's all about this exercise part, children. Today I am going to end my session. In case any doubt, you can ask me in the interactive session. Thank you. Bye. Take care.